yet another attempt to make a shrimp pot. This is attempt number 3. I don't know whether I'm gonna succeed or not. And my favorite step, I don't know, other people maybe not liking this too much. I like my saw. This is a huge saw and I'm just measuring. This is as deep as I potentially can go. Just a little bit of time to chisel all the stuff out. Careful, so this one I don't want to use mallet that way, so I'm using the carving gouge or carving mallet. I'm just afraid if I'm use too much force on this, I'm gonna destroy my gouge that I just made. And it's a lot of effort to make it back. It's really better to hold it on the bench and then carve it this way. Otherwise, it's just moving, and I don't like when it's moving. Now I can do this, this. How do I clean this up? And basically what I'm now doing is, at least here, trying to do some pairing. And it's very light pass and it goes so smooth. The walls are really thin right now. Really have to stop. Now, okay, so I'm done with this part. And if compared to my previous attempt on the same wood, I did it much thinner. On this side, I kept a lot of material, but just because it would be bottom, and it's kind of irregular shape, so I would be risking to destroy everything if I remove more material here. So let me do next stage. This knife is not that great because I'm not using the, it doesn't have the flat side, so that's kind of the problem I'm kind of having. Now, and the only objective by doing this is just to make it nicer, straighter. Okay, next part, find something for the bottom. Okay, good luck to me. actually another thing that I need to do is to make chamfer. And the last stage is, previous to the last stage is actually fitting the bottom. And this one is making a tiny groove for the bottom to sit in. Kind of, if you want to make it really good, there are special tools, special knives that are kind of hookish on the side that can provide you some ability to make this hook. I don't quite have those, so I'm trying to improvise-ish using whatever I have. It kind of worked, so I'm not saying it was too bad. Well. Let me try two different ways. Because basically this groove is just for the shrinkage of the wood, space for the bottom to get in. It goes inside. So I'm actually gonna declare complete success. So I'm really happy. So now, I'm not a shrink, but I made a pot. I have this one, I have this one, so slightly different material for all of these guys. So this one is, I think it's Cuban mahogany, at least some people told me. But in any case, that's a pot, a little bit weird looking. Another pot that is totally weird looking, and no less weird looking pot like this. So now I have a leaning tower of shrink pots. Be-doo. Oh, this one.